Hello everybody, in this video I'm showing you how you can easily remove the Quest 3 strap. First of all, we need to pop off these plastic covers that connect to the side where the speakers are. You just move it, pop it off quite easily, put a bit of force, and we just pop out. Do it on both sides of the headset. Then what we need to do is take out the strap. You just remove the scotch there, disconnect between the two, and just pull it out. There's some a few steps there, as you can see. It might be not that easy, but just again put a little bit of force and it will be taken out. And that's how you move the strap from the headset itself. So yeah, it's pretty easy and straightforward to remove the strap. I'm going to show it to you again. You see I'm putting my hands there at the edge and just putting a bit of force. You can see it kind of a lift off, and then you can just pull it off and you disconnect it. Again, same goes to the other side, and then you need to just remove the strap, which is pretty easy to do. Now again, if you want to put the strap back to the MetaQuest 3 headset, again you just take the covers, plastic covers, and just pop it in until you hear kind of a click sound. You need to make sure that everything is kind of closed, no gaps, and you do the same to the other side. Check it further. Just make sure again that there's no gaps and it clicks thoroughly, and that's about my bad. It's the right way. Here we go. A little snap. Keep in mind that I had a problem when I tried to put the strap back in when I took it out. It's supposed to be able to do so while the face cover is still attached, but if you're having a problem, you might want, if you haven't able to do so, you might be considered to remove the cover and then put the strap back in. And again, if it's the last resort, it doesn't work for you, you can just pull the facial interface, start from the bottom, see that it's detached, and then pull it out. And once it's pulled out, then you can put the strap back. It should be easier for you because again, you have the space there to kind of push it in. And once you do that, you can put the facial interface back. Again, only if you haven't able to do so without actually removing the facial interface. And then you just put it back until you hear clicks. All right, let's put it back, and it's back. And that's it. Once everything is back in place, yeah, that's how you remove the strap. Thanks for watching.